guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing a bike check. The person who's filming this, his YouTube will be right there, so let's get into this. We've got a HS33 back brake, very nice. And then we got my Bike Storms 8 sticker, my Loudon lip bands, ODI grips in purple, UK grips sticker, got my SE pegs with my grip tape, got the SE flyer seat, chain pedals, got the standard SE chain, got purple and blue spokes and some spinny things which go up and down. I've got my crazy bobs, Loudon lit stickers.
Guys, we're going to do the cinematics.
Cornmeal, these niggas sound crazy.
Don't forget to follow all my socials and the Filmers YouTube channel.